All right. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully, everybody had a great break and had some time off and got to relax and kind of decompress and forget about school. Hopefully, had a little bit of fun as well. I'm hearing really good things from people, so I'm glad. I hope that everything went really well for you. Um, I just got our new unit to kind of introduce today, so let me go ahead and share my screen. We are already on Unit 4. So Unit 4 will take us through the end of the semester. You can kind of see on here, I'm assuming you can see this stuff, the kind of scope and sequence, the plan for the rest of this unit. So we've got, 5 lessons to go through, and then we'll have the test. I think the end of the semester is February 5th, if I remember correctly. So we're actually not going to test before the end of the semester. This is that week, the end of the semester right here, the 1st through the 7th. So we'll actually test the first week of second semester. No big deal. We don't have to have a final or anything like that. It would have been nice to kind of do that and maybe finalize first semester with a test, but it is what it is. No big deal. I didn't want to kind of overload you with 2 lessons in 1 week, and I didn't really feel like any of these are worth skipping. So that's okay though. So just because I'm talking about it right now, I'll go ahead and mention it. We won't be having a final for first semester. We're just going to keep chugging and keep pushing away just like we're doing. We'll have lesson 1 this week, lesson 2 the next week, and then keep moving forward. No end of the semester final or anything for this class. So for this week, you've got congruence, which is dealing with triangle congruence. All the materials on here with the exception of the video. So you can expect to see that video by the end of today posted on here. But if for some reason you already have questions about this material, or you want to ask a question, or you want to look at it together, feel free to hang back after class today, and I'm more than happy to kind of answer anything that you got for me. Like always, you got 2 assignments, vocab and concepts, and the check-in. Both of these are due Sunday. Let me know if you're having any problems or any issues happen with this stuff. Like I've said before, I feel like every time I create something, there's always a problem with something. So I really appreciate everybody that's kind of reaching out to me and let me know about these problems. I like to fix them. I want to make sure that everything's as good as it can be for you guys. So, all right. I'm going to let the late people in. Feel free to unmute yourself and ask any questions, or I'll check the chat box here in just a second. All right. If you do have any questions, you want to talk about anything, please feel free to hang back. Everybody else, please go use the next 42 minutes to look at math, start chipping away at this stuff, getting this stuff done. I'd really appreciate it. All right. If you need something, reach out to me, send me an email, and I'd be happy to meet up with you. Take care. We'll see you Thursday.
See you Thursday, Mr. Chapman.
See you, Jose. Nathaniel, Unit 3 test grades should be in Skyward as of yesterday. If they're not, I will go check that and make sure they got processed. But I did process them yesterday. Have you checked since yesterday, maybe afternoon? And they're not in? Okay. I'll as soon as we hang up here, I'll go check that and make sure they're processed. I'm not sure what happened, but I will. Yeah, I processed them yesterday afternoon, maybe around 2 or so, I think. So if they're not in there, I'll make sure to fix that. Thanks for bringing that up. All right. Any other questions from anybody? Feel free to unmute yourself. I'm watching the chat box as well. Questions, comments, concerns? Everybody awake? Everybody with me? If you don't have any questions or comments, go ahead and take off and start looking at this material, working through it. Just let me know if you have any questions. Samara, any questions for me? Okay,